Alrighty guys, so update on my 3D printer, right? We got it all torn apart. As you can see here, everything is very nicely torn apart. We got everything disassembled as far as we can. This right here is a piece that's giving me problems, but fortunately I was able to find a pack of 2 of these on Amazon for about like 12 bucks, which is a lot better than the one I was trying to get off eBay for 20. So we're gonna go ahead, we're gonna buy those 2. They should be here tomorrow. I'm gonna post an update, seeing if I can get this thing all put back together. So if you wanna see that, go ahead and follow along, subscribe. I'm trying to get to 500. I've been trying to get to 500 for a while, but working on it. Let's make this happen.